welcome everyone. So this is overplayed this side of this end. My name is Overblade. Those that don't know me, and that's my name. My name is Overblade. Mm, right. So I would like to give some analysis towards this, what I am thinking and how I am seeing this market. So this market is broke down after the certain range, right? It needs to go up. Okay. So when it started to go up, we have got this relatively equal eyes, which are in based on a higher time frame basis, okay? And we have got this relatively equal eyes, which are so if by any chance, okay, the market is going to come up to this range here next week, which will be I think the next week will be starting from the 10th of August going up, okay? So what are we saying? We're saying if the market is likely to go to this upside here, okay? If the market is not likely to go to this upside, it will be targeting this relatively equal high, which are here, okay? These are the relatively equal high, which is the market would be targeting. So if by any chance you're going to find your entry here somewhere at this point, you are going to target this area here, okay? This area. Remember, this is H4. Okay. So by any chance, the market might come up here, you're going to target this area. If the market decides to go to the lower side, what might have been done? Or, or what are things that we look for that might that we want the market to take as support or resistance levels? Okay. So we are going to come in this range here. This is what I want to look for. I want you to look at. Well, from this angle is this high and with this low. Okay, this is the recent high and this is the recent low prior to this range. Okay, so the market is to come from this end and coming to this one. Then it is to run to the upper side. Okay, so if the market is going to come back down here, targeting this low here. Okay, if the market is going to target this low, what uh, which confirmations are we going to take from our side? Which confirmations are we going to take from our side that will which confirmations are we going to take from our side which will automatically prove to us that this market is likely to go lower? Okay, so what we have here is we have got this side and we have got this low, yeah. Then we likely go to look for what do we call it? What do we call a breakaway gates, a valley gates, whatever you can look for. Okay. So as I said before, oh, how are we going to use a fair value gap and how are we going to use a breakaway gap? There are things that we look for whenever the market is retracing back into the range. Where is it coming back to? And what actually are we likely going to see? Okay. So from this high to this low, what do we have here? We have got this breakaway gap, which is here. Okay. This breakaway, which is here. And we also have this breakaway gap, which is here. Okay, so we have got two breakaway gaps that we have here. Okay, so these two breakaway gaps that we have here, when the market opens, we want to see what what is likely going to happen. Are they going to work as a support to the upside? Are they going to work as a support to the upside? Or are they going to work as a resistance to the lower side? Okay. I mean, so there are always two scenarios that we look for whenever the market closes like this. Then on Monday we are going to have a very, very good confirmation. Okay, that we have. But a thing we saying right now, are you seeing this what do you call it? This week's this week's might have been supporting price to for it to go to the upside and take out this side again. Okay, so we may be wanting to know more about how we are going to trade this thing as it stands right now. So if the market is likely to go up, then drop down in this breakaway gap here works in a support level to move the market to the upside, then we are likely going to focus on this one. Okay, we are likely going to focus on this end, which is the likelihood for us to focus on because we've got this point, this point, this point, and this point, which are 3 points that we are looking at, which have got a lot of liquidity above it. So you might want to buy them. Okay, so when the market was going up, it has to come back for a retracement back into this breakaway gaps and it has to go to the upside. Then we are likely what, to go to the upside again. Okay, and took out this buy here, this buy side liquidity which is above it. So as we are going, want to look at this thing. Okay, want to look at this thing. Then for gold, so you are going to mark these levels for reference. Okay, mark these levels for reference purposes. If you come to H1 here and uh, you have this area, this side, this side, this side, you can see this is a small size that you must be targeting. So if we are likely to go lower, we must take out this high face. And when you take out this high face, we will then come back here to go and attack these lows, which are down here. Okay, but we must first sweep, at least sweep this high. And when we sweep them, if it's possible, we are going to sweep this high by Tuesday, the New York second, Tuesday, New York second. When we sweep up this high, we're likely going to go lower from Tuesday because we are going to make Tuesday high of the week, then we'll fall down. Okay, so but if you were to use our Fibonacci extension and we expand it from this side, if the market okay, didn't want to take out this side for now, and they want to continuously go lower from this angles, from this level high here to this level low. As we can see, this is the CE. This line is the CE of this level high and this level low here. So this is the CE. So as we are going to look for markets to respect this side, okay? Respect this area. If we target this and okay, after it respected this area, if it respected this for multiple times, like 3, 4 times, you're seeing it's trying to go lower, trying to go lower, trying to go low 3, 4 times, then you're likely to see it dropping to this area, this one, which is something like 28,966. Okay, so this is the area that we might be looking at if the market is likely to come to this side. So you should wait for confirmation always. Wait for confirmation. When you wait for confirmation, your disappointment might not be as usual. Yes, you'll be disappointed sometimes, but not always. So we want to look at gold. I know some of you love to trade gold as much as you want it. Okay. So to those that we in a certain group that I seen this signal, I think last 2 weeks or so, I said the market is likely going to come to this area. And when it comes to this area, it will go up. Is I marked this area? When was it? I think it was Saturday, 25 July 2026. When I said the market is going to come back here, and when it comes back here, it will likely to break the higher. Look at these levels which I've shown here. These levels. The market respect my CE of this level. Then we need to respect this CE of this level. As you can see, all these candles were closing above. Okay, all these candles are closing above. Then the market goes up and it comes down to a certain level here. Then it comes down and it started what? To dive to the up. Okay. So you need again to draw your lines. Say this these areas. Okay. Areas. Then when it continuously likely to go to the upside like this, you have to target these areas. Okay. You have to target these areas. I am not sure where it is going right now, but I will upload another video during the week, then I will give you a clue of what I'm seeing and how I'm seeing. But for now, if it want to come to the lower side, look for this area or this area. I think NFP yesterday I gave a signal when I said it is going to reach like 4,400. It's not yet there. This is our 4,400 point, which is above this level. So it's not yet here up to this level here, which I say is 4,000 what? 4,400. This this one. This is the point where I want to see it reach before it drops down. So if it's going to gap up, it's going to gap up to this level, then it drops down, coming back to this range. And when it comes back to this range, it's likely going to go up and target this one, this area. So it's like here, came here, then drop to this level, then come to this level. This is what I want to see gold doing for this week. So if you like what I'm teaching in, please subscribe for more videos like this. Then on Nasdaq, Nasdaq, I mean DXY, which is dollar index. Dollar index, I predicted like dollar index is going to go down. Why? Because of certain things that I've seen yesterday. Dollar index was likely to come down. Okay, so this is the levels that I wanted it to come to. This one, the C of this level. Okay, because we have got this high and this low, yeah, which is a, a weekly opening gap. No, it's not a weekly opening gap actually. It's a breaker. It's a daily opening gap. This one. So we want to see how it is going to react at this level. If gold is going to reach this level by Tuesday, then it will likely to come to these levels here. Okay, these levels up here. This is what I want to say. I mean, dollar doing for this week. It will come to this level here. If it's going to come at least to this level, I want it to see gold coming to this point. If it doesn't want to do that, maybe just want to use this one as a form of it to go up to the upside. I will still want it to come at least to fulfill this upper here. Okay, this is what I want to say from dollar index. So 2 minutes again for it's buy now.